Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download apps on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Then, tap the blue icon with the white A on it. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Search tab. Type the name of the app you want to download using the search bar at the top. From the search results, find the app and tap on it. Now tap the Get button. You may ask to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once confirmed, the app will begin downloading. You'll see the progress circle on the home screen. When it's finished, you can tap the app icon to open it right away. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to clear your Instagram search history. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then next, tap the three lines menu at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down and look for Account Center, then tap your information and permission. Now tap the search history. You'll see a full list of your recent searches. To remove individual items, just tap the X next to them. If you want to clear everything at once, tap Clear All at the top and confirm. And now, your search history will now be completely cleared and your Explorer page won't show your past searches anymore. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.